iPad Pro anticipates to have significant hardware enhancements, including a new OLED screen and CPU. Apple on Tuesday unveiled the innovative new iPad Pro in a strikingly thin and light design, elevating portability and performance to new heights, with an OLED display and a new M4 CPU inside at Let Loose event. It began out as a rumor that people couldn't believe, but Apple has made relatively quick transition to M4. This second-generation 3nm chipset appears to turbocharge two crucial areas: performance and AI capability, due to more transistors and a beefier neural engine. It's likely to compete with the M3 MacBook Pro. This so-called Ultra Retina XDR feature allows the display to reach a maximum brightness of 1600 nits while maintaining XDR accuracy. This is a big move for the firm, and I hope the beginning of seeing the Cupertino team start to deploy the innovation across all its products. Whereas the iPad Air is expected to have a more powerful CPU than the existing M1, along with a bigger screen option. Apple has offered the iPad Pro series in two sizes, and this trend is expected to continue. Apple revealed an 11-inch and a larger 2.9-inch iPad Pro models. According to analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, the first iPads featuring an OLED screen, a significantly superior display technology in terms of color accuracy, contrast, and brightness than the current model's tiny LED displays. The 2024 iPad Pro series sports an improved Magic Keyboard for the premium tablet is reportedly on the pipeline, along with compatibility for the brand new Apple Pencil 3. All of this has been accomplished while also making the gadget somewhat thinner. The 11-inch iPad Pro M3 measures 5.3mm thin. The 13-inch iPad Pro M3 measures 5.1mm thin. Apple emphasized the slim design, noting that it is the slimmest product Apple has ever produced. It's even slimmer than the iPod Nano. iPad Pro 2024 specifications: screen 11 or 12.9-inch liquid retina OLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, chipset Apple M4 10-core GPU, storage up to 2 TB, cameras 12MP main f1, 8 aperture, LiDAR scanner, adaptive true tone flash. Price from $999 for 11-inch and $1,299 for 13-inch.